FDI TV4 Health News. The Food and Drug Administration has announced that trans fats are no longer generally recognized as safe, the first step towards regulating something that is found in many of the processed foods we eat. Joining us this morning is registered dietitian Zale Hisashima. Good morning to you. Thanks for coming in this morning.
Thank you for having me.
No, the FDA, finally saying the food industry, no more of this trans fat, but it's something that you guys have been saying for a while, right?
We have been. We've known for a long time now that trans fat increases that bad cholesterol. It actually takes away our good cholesterol and increases the risk for heart disease and heart attacks. So with this measure now, there is a possibility that we can help American folks not have to think about it. It'll just be out of our food system to help lower the risk for heart disease and heart attack in our nation.
But it's in everything, almost everything we eat.
It's in almost everything. Manufacturers have been starting to decrease how much trans fat they use because of the research that is coming out. But this is the first step in helping our nation become healthier and decrease our risk for heart disease.
So what are some of the choices that we can make as consumers to eat healthier and get a jump start on this phase out that's happening?
So of course, like you had mentioned earlier, processed foods is a big culprit. So eating more fresh, cooking at home. Restaurants tend to use trans fat as part of the oils that they cook with, so avoiding the deep fried foods and just, trying to get more fruits and vegetables instead of the fried foods in our diet, and not as much of the commercially baked products, the pastries and that kind of thing could help with already eliminating trans fat from our diet.
All right, great tips, and thank you very much for coming in and giving us a little more insight about this pretty major ruling in our food. All right, well, coming up next, how much do you know about the place that you call